What's going on? It's your boy Zakelazy, and I'm back with another new YouTube video. So today's Wednesday. So it's Wednesday. Sorry about that. It's Wednesday. Market review. So now, before I get into the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment on the section below. And when you hit the notification bell so that you know next time when I drop a new video you get notified. So we are going to look at DXY, what is it again, GBP USD and US 100. So now let's start with this one. It is the dollar index, which is DXY. So apparently dollar was around these zones when we were looking at it. So what happened is that I was expecting like the market to start pushing, like I think it was somewhere around here. So like when the market opened it went down, so I was expecting maybe like some type of a correction, so that I know like, okay, fine, we are still doing what we are still continuing to the downside. So now, meaning whatever that I was thinking or I was looking at didn't happen. So for now I'll remove this structure because now the structure is invalid. So now the XY might have a potential to return somewhere around these zones. Reason being, like if you can see, like we are having a bullish structure. So like here's our 90% rule. So like this part I didn't see it, I just saw it now, and here's it was a continuation pattern. So I'm expecting like the XY to push up until the zones and start falling. Maybe we might have our pattern to the downside. So like, and again there's what coming, there's fundamentals coming, which is NFP on Friday. So if the XY is going to sell by Friday, meaning like expect to buy Nasdaq. So we'll go and see like what does Nasdaq have for us. So let's go to GBP USD. So GBP USD was around here, and we're expecting something like a correction, like something like a correction to push to the upside, like to go up until this zone right here. I remember like it was this zone. So like none of that happened. So like today when I was looking at the market, I spotted like we're still pushing to the upside, and I identify this pattern right here. So we have 1 2 3, like 3 touches. Okay, this is nice. So now we're having an impulse to the upside. So we wait for what? It's an impulse. We wait for a correction until this zone here. So like if we break above the trend line, start looking for another continuation pattern to our 90% rule. But the overall direction for GBP USD, I expect it to go up until because according to our structure, because our structure is our structure is it's a bullish structure. So I'm expecting the market to push. I want to see like GBP USD reach these zones around here. So like let's go to the last pair, which is the one and only US 100, which is Nasdaq. So Let's see, like we are on for hour, so I'm just waiting for my chats to load. So remember, like I told you guys, like so guys, like I told you, like let me just remove this message. It's like, so on Nasdaq, what's important is like we broke this high here. As you can see, like now we are pushing. So we broke this high, and like remember, price was around here when we were when I was telling you guys, like we have to have a what? We have to have a correction before going up, but none of that happened. So but the market decided to break above our horizontal ray or our high, and started to do it started to like it retested and it's going up. So on Nasdaq, for us to trade Nasdaq now, like it is a good time for us to trade Nasdaq. Reason being, like we have to sell low and buy high now, because like we have to wait for the market. Like as you can see, guys, like was a correction and this is an impulse. So like we have to wait for another what? We have to wait for another correction and impulse. So like for me, this is the indication that on Friday this is going to buy more heavy. On Friday this is going to buy more heavy during NFP. So like we might come and retest this high with a correction. So yeah, so I don't know, guys, what's happening with me, like with my voice today. Like I feel like I've been choking or something, but it's cool. So like nonetheless, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the like button and hit the notification bell, so that you know next time when I drop a new video you get notified. And guys, I'm going to drop more videos about I'll do videos about the entries and whatever you've been asking me to do. So like, it's so boy, the one and only. Stay blessed, you know the vibes. Yes sir, out.